Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eka and today we are going to be painting with watercolor. A couple of weeks ago I found some of my old watercolor pads and they had a lot of my previous work from like high school to college. I don't exactly know why I stopped with watercolor, but yeah, today we are going to be renewing that love while answering some of your questions I asked on the community tab and on Instagram for questions for a little Q&A in celebration of 2,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. And yeah, here we go. Art vlog number, I don't even know, 6 I think. Okay, so I've already sketched out what I want to draw, and yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so I have everything here. I have my sketch pad, I have my brushes, my old brushes, all the watercolor paint, my trusty tissue to dry out the brushes, and some water. So, actually, I've been painting with watercolor for a lot of my college years, like my whole college years I've been painting with watercolor because that's what's required in our course. And yeah, I don't know why I ever stopped, but here we go. So, first question is, how old are you? I am 21 years of age. Thank you very much. How did it occur to you to start painting on fabric? Well, I think I first started painting on a black jacket, like the jacket that I painted with fabric paint, and that didn't go well as I thought it should have gone. And yeah, from then on I didn't really like painting on fabric with fabric medium, but then I tried acrylic, which is on this shirt. Actually, I painted this shirt with acrylic, and that was the first one I did with acrylic, and it really stayed and the colors were there, but this is a bit chipped off because it's really old and it's light fabric. So then I started experimenting again with denim jackets and acrylic, and yeah, the rest is history. What am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. Now I know why I don't paint in watercolor, because this is fucking hard. Next question. Is it hard to be a freelancer? Well, to tell you honestly, like, I still live with my parents. My parents still pay for everything. My parents pay for the bills, pay for my food, and that has allowed me to like do art freely. I wouldn't say I freelance a lot because I just take whatever favors my tita ask, but not exactly favors, but they ask me to like paint on their jackets, on their shoes and stuff, and of course I'll do that for them, but I'm not exactly taking orders from other people yet, other people outside like my mom's friends or my relatives. So that still count as freelancing. It's easy for me to be a freelancer at the moment because I don't have to pay for anything. Like, everything that I earn from doing art, it comes directly to my savings and directly back into my art. So yeah, it's not hard for me yet. I'm in the easy part at the moment, so yeah. I don't know if I answered that right, but I hope I did. And then next question is college tips. Why did they say it like that? College tips? No. I don't know. What tips can I give? I think the most crucial part about college is finding something that you really want to do. College is really hard in itself, like there's no easy path, so just pick something that you're going to be passionate about, or you already are passionate about. Like, do something you love while you're suffering. Does that make sense? But yeah, I barely survived college, so please don't ask me. And next question is, are you taking a fine arts course or have been in a painting class? I love your artwork so much. Why, thank you. I took up interior design in college. I'm about to graduate. I ended last semester, last December, and then I'm taking this semester. I don't have any subjects this semester, so I'm just waiting for like the actual graduation. So yeah, in UST, which is where I am graduating from, interior design is part of the fine arts college. So I guess it is a fine arts course, and as I said, we paint in watercolor, but we actually, I don't think we've ever had a painting class. We have this colors class where we paint on blank interiors, but they don't actually teach us the skill of painting. They just teach us like the correct color combinations and what color means and all that. I don't think I've ever like formally taken a painting class, but I want to, especially with oil, because oil is really not easy and I've been winging it all this time. So I really want to know like the correct way of painting in oil. And yeah, so to answer your question, yes, I am taking a fine arts course, which is interior design. And no, I have never had or been in a painting class. I am actually self-taught. And the next question is, where do you get your inspirations? And another similar one is, hey, where do you take your inspiration from, like artists, life, experience, etc. And another one is, where do you get the inspiration for your paintings? She is looking orange. We do not like that, but we'll let her dry for a bit and answer this question. So where do I get inspirations? This is super corny and super cheesy, but inspiration is literally everywhere. I get mine mostly online. Like I browse Pinterest a lot and I follow a lot of good photographers in Instagram and good artists on Instagram, and I use those photos that I see, like nice photos I see, as reference. So I'm basically taking inspiration from that. I think that's basically it. Like I take a lot of inspiration from other artists, especially painters and photographers. So yeah. What is your job? I am currently unemployed. Again, I am waiting for graduation. Yeah, I'm basically just doing art for these past couple of months, and it has been really good. How did you paint a girl? Help me. And tutorials, please. Maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll do like a detailed tutorial on how I make a full painting, or like girl's face or something. Yeah, like what I did with the flower tutorial. Maybe I'll film that. Yeah, I should. Yeah. And lastly, will you ever sell the clothes you painted, like the denim jackets? Yeah, I'm going to be selling them. I have one more jacket to paint and then everything would be complete, but it won't be launching anytime soon. Like give me maybe a month more to get everything sorted, because I've been working on this project for like 4 months now. I started last January, and then I'm going to have to shoot it and then fix the website for it, fix the Instagram, do all the graphic stuff, because I am on my own here, team. So yeah, that would take a while to launch, so please be patient, but it is coming. Like it is coming soon. I would have finished already, but my mom recently just gave away everything I've done. No, like a majority of the jackets, and I have these like neat pouches I painted on, and she gave them to a lot of her friends that came from the States, and all my titas that came from the States also. So she paid me for it. Actually, she didn't just take them and leave me empty-handed. She did pay for everything. So yeah, I guess that was wave 1 of the By Erica shop, but the real one is coming soon. Coming soon. Those are basically all of the questions. I might do another one soon. No, I'm not gonna do another one soon. Maybe if I hit a next milestone, I'll do another one. But so yeah, I post a lot of these question things. No, I don't actually post a lot, but I will be posting a lot of these question things on Instagram, because that's where I got most of the questions from. So watch out for that and follow me on Instagram. I hardly did anything, but I'm going to take you closer, time lapse this bitch. So yeah. Okay, so here is the finished product, and it is not good. Like, this is pretty shitty, but yeah, no buts. Just, it's really bad. And I guess this is why I don't do watercolor anymore, because I suck at it. I think I completely forgot everything I learned in college, so yeah, not doing this again. But thank you so much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you liked the video. And yeah, I'll see you on the next art vlog.